sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter, flour, sugar, butter, flour. My hands flip for things that I know I need. I take the sugar and butter from the pantry. I add the flour to begin when I'm hoping to start, and then it's down with the recipe and bake from the heart. Sugar and butter, flour, mother. What's inside? Everyone wants to know what's inside, and I always tell them, but what's inside? More than words can say. What's inside? Simple question, so then what's the answer? My heart is in you. What's inside? In this kitchen baking. What's inside? What a mess I'm making. Hey Jenna, what's the special pie for today? Deep dish, blueberry bacon. Deep dish? Oh, deep dish, deep dish. Come on, girl. The day starts like the rest we've seen, another carbon copy of an old routine. Days keep coming, one out, one in, they keep coming. Don't know what I wish I had, but there's no time now for thinking things like that. We've got too much to do, all these things.